Now this video is just going to show two more quick examples on the null factor law. So here we have x squared plus 3x, let's say equals 0. So we can actually take a factor out of this. Both these terms have x's in them, so we can take the factor of x out. We divide both terms by x, put the x out the front, and then we're left with x plus 3. If you expand that out, you'll see that x times x gives us x squared, and x times 3 gives us 3x. So we end up, good idea to remember to put the therefore symbol at the front. So x squared plus 3x equals 0, therefore x, and then brackets, x plus 3 equals 0. Now, using the null factor law, therefore x equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0 or negative 3. So solving that one to be x equals negative 3, but just skipping that for the purpose of keeping this quick. And now one more. Say we have an equation like this, 6x squared plus 12x equals 0. Well, there's a factor of 6 here and a factor of 6 here. And there's the x here and the x here, so in total there's a factor of 6x. We can take that whole thing out, stick it at the front, 6x, and then take 6x out of x squared, you're left with x, and take 6x out of 12, you're left with 2. So 6x squared plus 12x equals 0, therefore 6x multiplied by, brackets, x plus 2 equals 0. And then using the null factor law, therefore 6x equals 0, or, that's meant to be a 0, 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. And so, therefore, in our first one, divide by 6 both sides, 0 divided by 6 is just 0, or, and in our second one, subtract 2 both sides, x equals negative 2. Therefore, summarize our answer, x equals 0 or negative 2. And that's it for this video.